Can you draw in Notion? It's a question that many people have asked themselves, especially as Notion has become a popular tool for note-taking, project management, and more. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of Notion and explore whether it's truly a viable option for your drawing needs. Understanding Notion. What is Notion? Before we get into the drawing aspect, let's quickly recap what Notion is. It's a versatile productivity tool that allows you to organize your thoughts, ideas, and projects in a visually appealing and customizable way. It's known for its flexibility and adaptability, making it a favorite among students, professionals, and creatives. Notion's drawing capabilities, databases and tables. One of the primary ways to draw in Notion is through databases and tables. You can create tables with columns for different elements, such as shapes, lines, and text. By customizing the appearance of these tables and the elements within them, you can effectively create simple diagrams and visualizations. Inline blocks. Notion also offers inline blocks, which allow you to insert various types of content directly into your pages. Among these inline blocks is the equation block, which can be used to create basic mathematical diagrams and formulas. While not strictly drawing, it can be helpful for certain types of visualizations. Third-party integrations. While Notion doesn't have built-in advanced drawing features, it's highly customizable and integrates well with other tools. This means you can use third-party apps and services to enhance your drawing capabilities within Notion. For example, you could embed a Figma or Canva canvas directly into your Notion page to create more complex designs. Limitations and alternatives. Lack of dedicated drawing tools. Despite the workarounds mentioned above, Notion doesn't have dedicated drawing tools like those found in traditional drawing software. This can limit its usefulness for those who require precise control over their drawings. Steeper learning curve. While Notion is generally user-friendly, using it for drawing can have a steeper learning curve compared to dedicated drawing apps. You'll need to familiarize yourself with databases, tables, and inline blocks to effectively create your visuals. Alternative tools. If drawing is a core part of your workflow and you need advanced features, consider using dedicated drawing software like Adobe Illustrator, Procreate, or Inkscape. These tools offer a wider range of features and better performance for complex drawings. Can you draw in Notion? The answer is yes, but with limitations. While Notion can be used to create basic diagrams and visualizations, it's not a replacement for dedicated drawing software. If you need advanced features and precise control over your drawings, consider using a specialized tool. Choosing the right tool. The best tool for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a versatile productivity tool that can handle some basic drawing tasks, Notion might be a good option. However, if drawing is a core part of your work and you require advanced features, a dedicated drawing software might be a better fit. Experiment and find what works. Ultimately, the best way to determine whether Notion is right for your drawing needs is to experiment with it. Try creating different types of visuals and see how it suits your workflow. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution, so find the tool that works best for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.